जे भशेन काल इलेक्शन रिजल्ट्स स्पेशली लोकसभाचे गोंयची दोनूय सिटां पळयत जाल्यार वॉट इज युअर स्पेशली वेन यू टॉक अबाउट नॉर्थ गोवा?
See, South Goa we were expecting. North Goa also we were expecting a loss after the election, but not this much. This is a drubbing in the north. And whatever leads we have got in the north, wherever, it is the people's credit should go to the people. You know, everybody knows Congress did not have an organization at all. At least in the north I've seen, there was no organization. Even in the south, there were some MLAs who took it upon themselves, like Captain Venzi, Vijay, all these people. If not for them, I didn't see much of an organization even in the south. So it is because of these people who started the campaign that South could manage to win this. In the north, there was no organization. I will tell you, in Kalangud, we didn't have people to roam in the villages of Parra and Arpora. We didn't have people to sit on the booth. We didn't have people to sit on to man the booths outside. It was only the people who spontaneous support from the people of Kalangud constituency that got the lead. And if you remember, last year we have Joseph Shikera with us. We had other sarpanches with us, and we had got a lead of 1,500. This year, Joseph was in BJP. Michael, of course, was in BJP. Sarpanches of all the villages were with the BJP. They're not openly with the Congress. Still, we got 2,100. More lead than last time. So all the credit goes only to the people, not to me, not to the organization of Congress. It's only the people. And I heard yesterday President of BJP was saying, blaming the religious leaders. They played their part. And this fellow, instead of blaming them, he should remember today if he is ruling, BJP is ruling only because of the same religious leaders who helped them 10 years ago. So the religious leaders will go as per what is good for Goa. At that time they thought Congress was not good, they supported whoever they wanted. Now BJP was doing whatever they wanted, they supported whoever they want. And the people. So the lead, nobody should take credit for this. I think it is the people of the constituency in Kalangud and Santa Cruz and all these places wherever we got a lead. But it speaks very badly of the Congress organization. And I'm surprised that Ramakant Khalap could not get a lead in his own constituency. That is very surprising.
But what do you have to say that when Kalangud has a BJP MLA, Congress gets a lead?
See, Kalangud is basically a Congress bastion, Kalangud. But tickets are being sold. And that is why we are losing that. We have lost people because these people have played dirty in BJP. Tickets are being sold now and whenever the chance comes, tickets are being sold, something happens there. People of Kalangud are with the Congress. And you see, even in the north, we could have won. What happened in the south, Vijay and all these MLAs told the party, the candidate, who should be the candidate. And I think that worked in favor of the south. In north also, the alliance partners had suggested some names, but they did not listen. I mean, Sunil's name was proposed by some of the alliance partners, but they didn't take. So I think the alliance partners did not work wholeheartedly in the north as they worked in the south.
So overall, if you go to see Moro Delhi, what is the thing that you feel that everyone has come
See, what happens now, Congress will be very happy that we got one seat. Now they're going to slip till the next election comes. Now it is time to get together everybody and revive the Congress. This is a good chance. I think people like Vijay Sajjasai and all has proved their mettle in the south. So you need to get those guys together. You need to strengthen the Congress. Otherwise,
you meant to say Vijay should join Congress?
I think Congress should ask Vijay to join Congress, and it will benefit only the Congress. It might benefit Vijay also. I don't know. Vijay has shown his strength in Patoda and Margao, where he's taken a sizable amount of votes from the government. So, and in other parts also. Even Venzi and all those people, I don't know if Venzi will come, but those people should be in the Congress. If Congress is going to. Imagine if AAP had contested on its own there. There's no way Congress could have won. So we have to come together, we have to have an alliance, whatever it is. But Congress cannot slip on this victory. So that is the attitude of Congress always. Election is a point तेन्नाच जागे जाता and that is the time they don't even have booth committees.
Reviving it, you are ready to come back to Congress.
So, I don't. I am a small person. I am a small worker.
No, they also appreciate your work today that you have done so.
I worked against the BJP. I will always work against the BJP because I will work for a secular party, whether it is Congress or whatever it is. I will work. If Congress approaches me, I will think about it. Congress has not approached me. Even last time, only after I gave a press conference, they started coming. Even after that, some other ex-MLAs wanted to join, but they were playing around with them. They were not taking them. They were not. I don't think the North Goa campaign was serious at all. I was okay. I came on my own. If you remember, nobody asked me. Only after I gave a press conference, they approached me. I should have been given some other responsibility. They didn't even bother to tell me about work here,
So
work
you
there.
mean to say the good people, good candidates, or good leaders like Vijay Sardesai, Venzi should be a part of Congress.
They should be. If Congress will work towards that direction. Because I've seen Venzi working very hard. Even before the candidature was this Venzi and the other AAP MLAs, the organization was working. The whole organization of the AAP was working when Congress was still discussing the candidates. And it is the NGOs in the south who have kept in this. Do you tell me, as a reporter, you all have gone, where was the organization of the Congress? In the north, where was the organization? In my own constituency, there was no organization. We didn't have people to sit on the booths. We didn't have people from the village to go around in there, except for Kandulam and Kalamur. We didn't have people in Arpora and Padala.
You have been raising voice on various issues. You have been speaking about elections, everything. So what is the future of Agner in politics?
No, I will work, like I said, I will work for a secular
You are
party.
still interested to contest or where?
As of today, I'm not interested in politics at all.
As of
But
today.
I've done my job of working for the Congress. I'm not interested. But if I see something bad happening, if I see that if people are still playing around, I will play my part.
But does Agner still feels that he has a chance in Kalamur?
It's not about Agner. I believe Congress should get a chance in Kalamur. Whether it is Agner or somebody else, there should be Congress in Kalamur. And what they do is, you keep on taking defectors and all those people, it's sending a wrong signal. Every time you take a defector because they give you money, because they tell you I will sponsor another this. That is what happened last time.
But आजने बाप आयच्या डेटीन काँग्रेसीकडे कलंगुटान लिडर आसा.
काँग्रेसीन लोक आसा न्हू. कालांगुटान लोक काँग्रेस आतां आयज कोण लिडर आसलो? आयज पळय आमकां 2000 लिडर कोण लिडर आसलो? आग्नेल लिडर न्हू. आग्नेल लिडर न्हू. जोजफ नासलो. भोवन आसलो. इंटणी भोवन आसलो. कोण भोवन आसलो? हांव थोडो मातसो भोवला. सो इट इज पीपल, लोक आहा. कालांगुट लोक काँग्रेसी बरे आहा. हे कितें करता? बोकर लोकांक घात कोत्ता. तेका लागून लोक मागीर हें जाता. लोक डिसअपॉयंटेड जाता आनी लोक मागीर कोणाकूय वोट घालता.
सो ते खातीर लास्ट टायम 5000 लीड आसली ती फावटी 2000 जाली अशें.
खंयचो?
कलंगुटान
ना कालांगूट गेले पावटी 1,500 जाले ते आदले पावटी सुद्दां जाले. गेले पावटी 1,500 आसली. हे पावटी कोणूच लिडर नासले पूण 2,000 वाडली लीड. हे पावटी वाडली लीड. दॅट मिन्स लोक काँग्रेसी बरोबर आहा. हे आमचे पळय लिडर आहा ते लोकांचो घात घेता.
लोक काँग्रेसी बरोबर असताना बीजेपीचा आमदार कसो येता?
एक गेले पावटी काँग्रेसीन आसलो न्हू.
त्याच्या पयलीं लीड आसली तांची.
पयलीं लीड आसली. हांगा गेले पावटी जेन्ना हांव शेणला तेन्ना हे पळय म्हणटा रिलिजियस लिडर्स that time the religious leaders were against the Congress and त्या टायमार हांव शेणलो. मागीर तेणी तिकेट दिली कोणाक? जोजफाक दिली. जोजफ वॉज सपोर्टिंग द BJP लास्ट टायम. सो पीपल वर कन्फ्यूज. मागीर मायकलाक दिली पण काँग्रेसीची. सो दॅट टायम द काँग्रेस वेव वॉज देअर. सो मायकल वन एंड दी वेव क्रिएट केलेली. आय कॅन से आय हॅड क्रिएटेड द वेव बिकॉज आय वॉज वर्किंग फॉर द काँग्रेस एट दॅट टायम. कोण नासले. सो दॅट ऑन दॅट वेव मायकल रोड. नाव आतां कितें आहा? लोक काँग्रेसी बरोबर आसतलोच. हे आतां परत मातशें एप्रोच जालेले पूण आमकां कितें कोत्ता? 5 वर्सांक धोपरायता, काम कोत्ता, पयशे मोडूंक लायता, मागीर तिकेटी विकता आनी पोलतेकूच दिता. दॅट इज आय एम टेकिंग इट इजी. आय एम हॅपी एट द सिट्युएशन नाव. इफ समबडी अप्रोचीज मी आय कॅन वर्क फॉर द पार्टी. अजून असं कोण येवना म्हाजेशीन. बट आय वूड प्रिफर दॅट कालांगूट एज अ काँग्रेस MLA.
नॉर्थाक आनी सावथाक जे पळय आहा, सावथाचें सिट्युएशन 50-50 जावन BJP नॉर्थाक कशें वेचना जातलें? काँग्रेस BJP कितें हे BJPच जाला सदांच.
कोण काम करिना न्हू. आनी सी हे पावटी कोण आसले आतां कॅम्पेनीचे कितें आसले? आय हॅड अ लिटल पार्ट ऑफ सालिगांव विथ मी. नोबडी टोल्ड मी गो एंड वर्क इन सालिगांव. नोबडी एप्रोच मी टू इवन वर्क इन कालांगूट. हांव म्हाजे हितून गेलोलो.
Only.
own this. Only when you all asked me the question last time and I told you all that nobody approached me, somebody came. Talab also came to meet me. But then I should have been given more responsibility. I've done work in that Barclays area. I have helped people there. I was chairman of EDC. I've given loans for a lot of drivers, taxis and all that. But nobody thinks that I am important. So I'm happy with that. I've done my work where in Kalangut where I have a little influence. I could have worked in Saligaon. I could have worked in Cholim and other areas also. But Congress does not appreciate leaders like us. So that is their loss. But I think everybody should come together now, and Congress should start thinking of strengthening now, not wait for the next election. That is what they do every time. Now they'll be very happy. South Goa, we have won. South Goa Congress has not won. It is the people of South Goa who have stood with the Congress. It is the NGOs of the South Goa who have stood with the Congress, and that is why the victory. So don't pat yourself on the back because you don't have an organization. You better start getting ready and build up the organization.
तर 2 वर्सां टायम आहा तुमकां दिसता की हे 2 वर्सांनी हे करता
They have to start from today. आयच्यान काम करूंक जाय. Don't wait for central government. Central government form जातलो मागीर हांगा government उडयतलो तुमचो government येतलो म्हणून. We have to start working for the party from today. If at all I am ready to work for the party. Nobody has approached me. If they approach, I will work.